This is Qullamaggie, a trader that made over $100 million trading only 3 setup. And in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to find these setup using Finviz. So before getting the video, a quick reminder that all the best tools will be linked in the description. Don't forget to check that out. Let's get right in. So Qullamaggie is a swing trader that made most of his money trading only 3 setups. Most of them consist of breakout. And after that, you're going to have the overextension stock. And also what you're going to have is the EP of earnings. So when we're on Finviz, what you need to do is go to screener, and the first setup we're going to be looking for is going to be stocks that are breaking out on recent earning or will be about to break out on earnings. So these stocks are going to be normally leader in their sector or have been consolidating for a long time and are going to be about to break out. So to filter for these stocks, you can head over screener and then go to all, and we're going to be looking at the first thing, which is going to be the market cap. When we're looking for earning stock, we definitely want something that have a real market cap. So this is going to be important. So we're going to be adding a market cap, and we can over here add 0.1, and we're going to be able to see that it's going to be for stock that at least $100 million in market cap. The next thing you want to be looking for is for the earnings date. We're going to be looking for stock that are going to be about to report earnings. So we want to be looking for earnings date over here, and we're going to be looking for the next 5 days. When this is selected, we're going to be moving to the average volume. We definitely want stocks with over 1 million shares. This is going to be making sure that this is liquid and it's trading enough. You don't want something that have almost no volume and you're not going to be able to really trade this stock. The next thing we're going to be doing is make sure that the stock is over the 200 simple moving average. So we're just going to be selected price above SMA 200. The SMA 200 is important because you're looking for stock that are strong, and anything that's going to be below that is most likely going to be quite weak. So we're going to be looking for leader in their sector that are about to report earning, that are trading a decent amount of volume with a market cap of over $100 million. When this is done, I like to go into performance, and then I'm going to be looking for stock with the most volume over here, just putting them by volume, and these are going to be reporting stock in the next 5 days. So now we are selected by volume, so the most liquid, and you can see there is a lot of stocks because we're in earnings season. So this is there. Now what you're going to do is go into TA. So when we're on this page, you can scroll down and then you're going to be able to start looking at stock. The best thing about the Finviz Elite is you're able to look at different time frames. So you can clearly see that now we can look at the intraday, the 1 hour, because most of the time Qullamaggie does look at the 1 hour, the daily, and also the weekly. So you're able to look at all of these time frames. So you can also look at the 3-month chart or 3-minute chart, sorry. You can always go over here and look at the actual 3-month or 6-month, depending on what you're looking for. So I like to look at the 6-month and also the 12-month, so the 1 year. So over here, we can see that the stock is not going to be in a range that is interesting to us. This is clearly not interesting. Hood is a bit more interesting because it's about to report earning. And if we go on this page, we can clearly see that it is actually consolidating for a long time. So now we have this level that it's going to be reporting earning very soon. So it's going to be tomorrow. So maybe it has a really good earnings because it's been growing. You can see also the expectation that are going to be over here. And then we can look at our level. That's going to be example, the $50. And then we can trade around that because if it's really good earnings, it has been consolidating. It's pretty much a leader in the market. So maybe we get a really nice move towards the high over here. So that could be interesting. So because it's a stock that haven't made a big run on earnings yet, except if we look really at this over here, this would have been a perfect A+ EP if you consider how Qullamaggie trades. So this would be the level. Now on earnings, we're gapping right above and we can catch a really nice trend from the earnings. So that would be the idea. So going back to our filter, we can go back to screener. What you would do is just save screen and then you can put EP. That would be the setup for the Qullamaggie EP, and then you can just click save change. By the way, at any point during this video, don't forget to check out the links in the description. I did link all the best tools for day trading and investing. So now going back to filter, you can select the same filter or create a new one. So we're going to keep the market cap at the same thing, but we're going to be removing the earnings date. So what's going to be important over here is going to be that the stock is just trading over 2 million shares, so something a bit more liquid because this is going to be more an intraday setup. So you can look at 2 if you have the custom, which is ideal, 5 million share average daily volume. So this is going to be important. Then we're going to also put an ATR of at least over 25 cents. And I like to put volatility on the week just over 3%, just to make sure that this is something that is moving. It's not something that is ranging and doing nothing. And then I would save this filter. So when this filter is saved, you can also go into performance, and then I'm going to look at what's the strongest stock this week. So is there a setup there? So then I would go to TA, and then I would say, okay, maybe there's no setup. What does stock break out? Oh, maybe this one does have a setup above this 379. So this would be for consolidation breakout on the daily chart. I would do the same thing, just scroll to see if there's anything interesting. PLTR is not really interesting at that point, but over here was quite interesting. So we're going to still be looking or just tracking stuff, looking for long-term breakout. This is going to be important. So this one over here, ACH chart, looks definitely better. There's a decent amount of consolidation and then maybe a break above that 942. This is not my favorite because there's no specific catalyst, but maybe sometime it gaps above, like PLTR, for example. If it's breaking above the high on some news, that would be really interesting. Tesla also has this fantastic consolidation just by looking at the top gainer during the week. So we can see over here, we have a level at 292 or even 294. So if we break above that level, that could be a very interesting trade. So this specific setup is just going to be for breakouts. So stock that are leading on the weekly, but this is not going to be the ideal setup. What you're really looking for, if we just go back over here, are going to be for performance, and you're going to be looking for leader over the past month. So this is going to be more important. So past month is going to be a good way to look at really the leader over a longer time period. So we can see over here, this is going to be a leader over 1 month. We have PLTR, we had Wolf, we had CIFR. And also, when you do have the elite version, you have the opportunity to move stuff for like less months. So sometimes we see over here, you can't see because this has been too long. It's for 1 year. You can go over here and then just look at the past 6 months. So you have a more zoomed in chart. And this is important. Like this over here, definitely worth putting an alert over the 650. PLTR, we talked about it. And then over here, we have MSTR. It's been consolidating for quite a while and it's a leader in the market. So maybe above this 450 or even that 400. So we're going to save this one because this is just going to be our breakout. And the way I like to do this one is just save it as breakout. And then what I do is go into performance. Then I'm going to look also by quarter. Who's the leader in by quarter? Who's the leader in half a year, and who is the leader also per year? So over here, we're going to do something different. We're going to look at any, and also we're going to remove that. Is to look at the daily volume. So current volume, this is going to be looking at the end of the day, but I want to be looking for stock above the 50 million shares. So something that is really trading a lot of volume. So 50 million. What I'm looking for here is some parabolic stock. Like you can see over here for Wolf, this was something that was quite interesting, you know, had a multiple green days, and then we had a big crack over here on the red days. And we can see over here, we had the same thing maybe on BBBI. So maybe not yet, but it had started to make a move. And what we're essentially looking for is the leader that are about to reverse. So those big mean reversion trade. So when you're done doing all this, just go to save preset and then just save screen and just put it as parabolic.